It's time for another quick 3-minute furniture flip where I'm going to take these damaged bedside tables and turn them into these unique one-of-a-kind statement pieces. To start off with, I had to remove all of the damaged varnish off the top of the bedside tables. I did this using a belt sander and then an orbital sander. Once that was done, I then had to scuff sand all of the fronts of the drawers so that I could paint them. Once they were scuff sanded, I grabbed out a sugar soap wipe and then cleaned off all of that dust. Then it was time to fill in the old hardware holes with wood filler and fix any damage. I wanted to put on a singular knob to these bedside tables, and so I'm going to be drilling new holes and filling the old ones. I sanded off all of the excess wood filler once they were dry. Then it was time to give them another clean before painting. I grabbed out some masking tape and masked up along the timber lines that I wanted to leave raw exposed timber. Grabbed out a primer and started applying that with a brush and roller. Now it's time to apply the paint. I decided to go with this really light cream colour to keep it a very neutral feel. I enjoyed the pleasure of removing the masking tape and then decided I wanted to do a unique stencil design on the front of the drawers. I grabbed out the stencil and a sponge and started sponging on this stencil design. It's a very unique way of applying the paint in the stencil and not one I usually would do, but I just wanted to have a play and do something a little different. I sanded the tops of the timber again to make sure they were buttery smooth so that I could apply a paint wash. I used a paint wash of 1/8 the paint I used on the front of the drawers, mixed with water to just change the colour of this timber. I then applied a clear polyacrylic top coat. I drilled new holes and then installed a unique shell hardware. And here they are, a unique one-of-a-kind design. They're not going to be everyone's style, but I had no problem selling these for $400. If you love this makeover, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more.